Hello everybody. This is a follow-up to my palm rolling mockery locks, Sisterlocks. I have Sisterlocks. This is my second round. I retwisted them like a month ago, and I just retwisted them a few days ago. I can tell you what I've learned between that time. When I finished retwisting them, I actually had to braid them in either 2-strand twist or braids to let them dry. Reason being, the first time I did it, I did the 2-strand twist, but I left them in there probably like a day. These, I actually left braided for maybe like 3 or 4 days. And I feel like they had, ample time to dry. I also used a bonnet hair dryer for not even like 15 minutes just to speed up the process. But I can tell these are definitely turning out better than the last wave of retwisting. I use the same products. This right here, the Lock-In Firm Wax. I used some mousse, not so much on the actual roots, but on the braids I had braided so I can get the crinkles to pop. Of course, some prong clips. I like these better than the two. I feel like the ones that had 2 of them, they get stuck in my locks and it's uncomfortable. And of course, the handy dandy edge brush from your local hair store. And some rubber bands just to hold it in place. I like it. I still think it's faster. I still think it's less painful. I don't hear any cracking or popping when I'm retwisting my hair. It still feels lightweight. It's not like, I don't feel like the locks are getting bigger because I'm using this kind of method, but I'll keep a watch out for them. And the back, so I have an undercut, but I'll just show you the back, how that looks. Yeah. So my hair is growing quite fast because this is year 3. And I started out with locks that were like this long, literally. So I'm loving the growth. I love how the front looks. The hair that usually grows out of it is inside the locks. So I'm taming the locks. This right here usually is like an afro puff. And as you can see, this round, the hair actually stayed in there. So hopefully it keeps on that same route. And I'll keep you all updated. Maybe in a couple months, just to see if any kinks come up and it ain't looking all, pink and rosy. Of course, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I am not a loctician. I've just been locking my hair for the last 3 years. And obviously, I think that when you do your own hair, you kind of learn what works for your hair. The same way your stylist would if you went to them regularly. So, that's it. I just love my hair though. It's